If any of these 5 things describe you, The Unmade might be your next favorite book. 1. You've read all of Tolkien, Sanderson, or Martin and need what's next. 2. You love magic systems that have real rules and real costs. 3. You want a story where the villain's logic actually makes sense. 4. You want a complete story, not a trilogy cliffhanger on page 1. 5. You love detailed world maps, appendices, and deep lore. Get it on Amazon. Kindle $4.99. Paperback $14.99. The Unmade on Amazon. https://www.amazon.com/s?the+unmade+m.f.+Colton. If this helped you at all, please hit the like button right now. It tells YouTube this video is worth showing to more people. And subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tip. We post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.